Hi everyone, I'm Donna Mock, and today I'm going to teach you how to read a program at the racetrack. Being able to read a program is an essential skill for anyone looking to place a bet on a race. They provide vital information to help you determine what kind of bet you would like to place and allow you to accurately find your horse during a race so you can cheer them on. Programs can be purchased for a few dollars at the program stand. At the top of the program, you will find the race number, distance, class, and purse amount. In this case, it is race 1 at the Meadows. It is a 1-mile pace for 3 to 6-year-old fillies and mares who have never won 6 extended parimutuel races. This is also a claiming race, which means any horse in the race can be bought for $12,500. Below the race number, you will see the information about each individual horse. Starting on the left side of the page, you will see the horse's program number and post position along with the morning line odds. To the right is the horse's name. In this example, number 1 is Funny Said. Under the name is the driver, Mike Wilder. For thoroughbred racing, this would show the jockey's name. Under the driver are past performance lines. This shows where Funny Said performed in each of her last 6 starts. The first piece of information is the date, race, and location. In this case, Funny Said last raced on August 31st, 2020 in race number 5 at the Meadows. To the right of the track information is the track condition and temperature. For Funny Said, the track was fast and the temperature was 72 degrees. Beside the temperature is the class information. Funny Said raced for a purse of $6,300 in the same class that she will race against today. Just to the right of that, you will find the fractional times of that race. Next to the times is the horse's running line or chart line. These show what position the horse was in at different fractions of the race and how far behind the leader it was. In horse racing, races are documented every quarter of a mile. Funny Said was in post position 1. At the first quarter mile, she was in second, 1.5 lengths behind the leader. She remained in second at the half, 3/4, and 7/8 poles. Then at the end of the line, she finishes third, 1.5 lengths behind the race winner. To the right, you will see Funny Said's individual time, what her odds were, and her driver, and the names of the top 3 finishers from that race. To learn more about how to read a program, visit penhorseracing.com and check out our interactive racing program.